Ever open Excel ready to crunch some numbers? Maybe do a VLOOKUP, import some data, and then you realize the data tab is just gone. That is frustrating, right? Especially when you need those critical data tools. But don't panic, it's a super easy to fix. In this quick video, I will show you exactly how to get your data back in Excel in just a few clicks. For this, you need to click on the file on the left side and go to the more and click on the option. Here you can see that. Click on that, and in the Excel options, you will see that customize the ribbon. Click on that, and on the right side you will see that your main tabs, and here you can see that data tab is unchecked. You need to just click on that and it is checked now, and click OK. And if you want to reset all your tabs, then click on reset and click all reset all customization. So and then click OK, and now you can see that your data tab is back on the menu bar. So with this super fix, you can easily manage your data in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.